tough Republican refusal to accept his victory, Joe Biden is out to defend the 2010 Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. The health program, which was instituted under President Obama, is being challenged by the Trump administration in the Supreme Court to have it abolished. Amadou Kante reports.
American President-elect Joe Biden has defended the Affordable Care Act, signed into law by former President Barack Obama back in 2010. Joe Biden was speaking in Wellington, Delaware on Tuesday, condemning the Trump administration's argument in the Supreme Court to eliminate the health law. He said the Affordable Care Act is a matter of life and death for many Americans, noting that the court's decision will determine whether the health coverage of over 20 million Americans will be put at risk.
Let's be absolutely clear about what's at stake. The consequences of the Trump administration's argument are not academic or an abstraction. For many Americans, they are a matter of life and death in a literal sense. This argument will determine whether health care coverage of more than 20 million Americans who acquired under the Affordable Care Act will be ripped away in the middle of the nation's worst pandemic in a century. Over 100 million people, as the Vice President-elect pointed out, over 100 million people with pre-existing conditions like asthma, diabetes, cancer, could once again be denied coverage.
The U.S. High Court ruled 8 years ago to leave intact the essential components of the law known as the Obamacare. But President Donald Trump and his Republican allies are arguing to have it overturned. Meanwhile, if the 6-3 conservative court agrees with the Republican Party, millions of Americans could lose their health care coverage. The president-elect also took the opportunity to address unsubstantiated claims of electoral fraud from the Trump campaign.
Put together today, we're going to be moving along in a consistent manner, putting together our administration, the White House, and reviewing who we're going to pick for the cabinet positions, and nothing's going to stop that. And so I'm confident that the fact that they're not willing to acknowledge we won at this point is not of much consequence in our planning and what we're able to do between now and January 20th.
Since Joe Biden was projected to win last week's U.S. elections, Trump's campaign has filed dozens of lawsuits in multiple states claiming election fraud and irregularities, but has not produced any evidence.